Polly's in Roblox. We're playing a new game here. It's called Identity. What is it? Identity.
Alright.
What is it called?
Identity fraud.
Identity fraud.
You want to go down this hallway?
Yeah, over here. Uncle and I'm the uncle, and these are my nephews and my daughter.
Let's go then.
We're gonna play this game over here. It looks kind of scary.
It's a horror game. Keep walking here. Wait for my dad. Wait up for my dad.
Okay. How do you run fast?
You can't run. You can only walk in.
Can you turn the volume up on the TV?
You can only run when you're getting chased.
Okay.
You can only run when you're getting chased.
Is Matthew them in the same thing we are?
Yeah. We have to all find each other first.
Let's go find. Alright, we're trying to find Matthew.
We're trying to find them. Oh, that's not Matthew. That's not Matthew. That's not Matthew.
No, don't go over there.
Oh, never mind. I was about to say, come on, let's go.
Was that them? What's this red light right here?
That's a thing to let you know that they're near us.
Hey, do a photo picture real quick.
Guys,
Everybody.
come on. Everyone together.
Photo picture real quick.
Milton.
Right there, Howie.
I'm coming.
Okay, ready. Stand everybody right there. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, thank you very much. That's for the thumbnail.
Why did he get our...
Upload my picture.
Hello? This is scary. This is scary.
Where's Matthew?
What is the orange circle mean?
Oh, that's mine. That's a light word that tells you that you've been there before, or tell other people you're in that area. Wrong way, Matthew.
Wait, how do you place it?
I don't know. Come on, Matthew. Come on, this way. This way. Guys, come on, stop. Wait for Matthew. Guys, come back.
Wait, what's up?
Guys, come back.
Can the monster manipulate us?
It can look like them, but they're gonna be walking like this. They walk like this. They only walk in straight forward. They stop and they keep walking. It's like weird. Anyways. Alright, which one? Okay, follow Milton, I guess. Alright, Milton, follow us. We gotta wait for Milton.
This is a dead end. It's a dead end. Guys, where are you?
Come back to the area we were just at. Where the orange tab.
Oh shoot, I got...
Milton just got killed.
How? Oh, you guys left me by myself.
Oh. This is Milton. You lie. That's Milton.
That's it.
That's Milton being Milton. Come on. Sometimes.
Oh, you guys see that? You guys see that?
Where?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
It
the
was
monster.
a black shadow with...
Back there?
Yeah.
It just peeked out.
Yo, stick together now. It's getting creepier. It's getting creepier. Shadows coming over there.
This way, come on, guys. Let's go. I'll wait at the corners for everyone.
It's getting darker.
Where's Matthew?
Oh, we just lost Matthew.
Oh,
Matthew, come on. Guys, Chance, not that way. Chance,
I'm
not
still
that way.
here. I lost you guys.
Chance, not that way. We're all going on.
Look at Chance is following a ghost.
That's the other person.
Oh.
Come on. Let's go.
What was that? Oh,
Wherever you are, you ugly. Look at
that
you.
is what you call a thought.
Oh, okay.
That's what you call
That is...
a crackhead.
That's what you call Mario's emo face.
Yeah. Guy, with the white...
The white dots.
So currently, if you see a person walking straight and waving at you, run as fast as you can.
Now, how come we can't use our fighting skills in here?
Because this is only a game.
Look, it's following us because everything's there's purple footsteps behind us.
It's right there.
Purple footsteps.
Where? Isn't this his arm or something?
Yeah, that's his arm.
This is his arm.
Then why is it sticking out there?
Because I don't know.
Because
into
it
the wall.
teleports upward. And
Guys, come on. Are you gonna?
Where are we trying to find an exit?
Yeah.
Is that the whole
behind
point?
you, behind you.
Oh, then
Oh,
go. It has
no.
red eyes. Run, fast as you can. Run. Run backwards so you can see him. But what if he turns up behind us?
Come on, guys.
Oh, shoot. He's coming.
Run.
Dang, Milton, you're the last one. You about to get gobbled up by that thing.
It's dark, guys.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Oh, he's
Just keep
Oh,
going.
man.
help me.
Oh, I see red eyes. Right behind you, Milton is coming. Oh, dang, now I'm last.
Run,
Now I'm last.
run.
Leave our goal.
No, don't.
How do you run faster?
He's right
Oh, dang, he's right behind us. Oh, snaps. Gotta hit the corner. Gotta hit the corner. That's what I get for trying to film. I should have just left. Do we
Oh
turn left?
no.
Why am I going first? I'm just running.
Because you're the bait.
I'm not bait. You want me to die and chase you?
We're going, we're going, we're going.
No.
Okay.
Look back one more time.
Which
Dang,
way?
Milton, you
This
way
way.
back there.
This way. I don't know what I'm doing.
Dang, way back there.
Dang, Milton.
And, you chose this game. You better get us out of here.
No, this is Milton that chose the game.
Oh,
Way over here.
I'm just
This
saying.
way.
what do you mean, Milton? What
I
the
know.
heck? We're already going this way. We might as keep going.
I'm just.
No, the door's this way. The door is this way.
Oh, fine. I'll follow
Dang.
Milton.
All right, let's
He already
go.
played this game before, so I have to trust him. The lights are back on, though.
Is that a good sign?
Yeah. Also, those lights are your checkpoint, just to let you guys know.
Which lights?
The ones we placed down. Once
Oh,
you place a light
yeah,
down,
you just dropped something back there.
yeah, that's a light. Press square to do a light.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's your spawn point, and
Yeah, but
that also tells you where you're going.
Listen, every time when you talk, stop covering the mic.
I'm not trying to.
He's right there. He's right there. Wait, watch. Ugly. I swear I'm gonna come after this. Dark carpet. Ooh. Don't mind if I.
All right, it's getting kind of like these hallways are getting a little
Okay,
bit steeper.
I'm completely lost.
I told you to go my way. Wait, we have to find Milton now.
Oh shoot.
Is this like a big
Can't you-
maze?
Yeah. You have to find
You're not
there's only
here,
one
right?
way. Oh.
Oh, there they are. We found you guys.
We found Chance. Was Chance lost or following Milton?
Oh, we found you too, Milton. Where's everybody? Oh, they're right there. Look, they're right there.
Wait, Milton, no, wait. Come on, guys, come over here. We're near Milton is.
Well, I'm waiting right here. They're not there. They I don't know where they went.
Oh, look, this
Oh,
is
there's
like
Is that an arm?
No chance.
Oh! He was loud. That's loud. He's
That's
staring
like
at me,
literally
guys.
all the same ways.
Guys,
Which way haven't we gone through yet?
somewhere where there isn't light.
It's dark.
Uh-oh. You hear that sound? That's the clicking of the jaws of the monster. That means you're ready to attack soon.
Dead end.
Is that a dead end for real? So we'll get dead. Let's get out of here.
Dad, you're the last one there.
Okay.
Dead end.
Dang, it's dark. You guys, turn around. Come back this way. Turn around. Come back this
Oh
way.
no, we already. Wait, did we?
I don't know, there's no light in this hallway, so we might as well go through it.
Well, for your screen, yeah. I have light in my screen. Sometimes it flickers.
No, I mean like the little dots. The one I placed down, there's none of that.
Oh.
So if there's no dots, that means no one.
Matthew's gone.
Matthew, stop leaving the group.
Bro, this girl bought that black thing to me. Bro.
Let's go back to Matthew.
It is kind of racist.
Oh my god, that thing is moving hella fast.
Wait, it depends.
Where did Matthew go? We lost them around here somewhere.
Look,
They went
Bro,
that
go
way.
somewhere else. Stop running towards me.
Go backwards, Matthew.
Oh my god, she's gonna get us both killed.
Okay, we gotta
I'm
go.
about to juke her. Watch this. Why are you still following me? Go the other way. She keeps following me. She's trying to bring this dead thing over here. Oh, we're screwed. We ran into a dead end.
Hey, why? How did we lose you so fast?
they just keep leaving.
Dad, do you wanna put one of those things down? Press square and look at the ground or something. I feel like.
Okay, I'm close to the mic.
We're still looking for Matt. in every single corner. We haven't ran into the red eyes yet.
We're lucky we're not
But
running
Matt
into
did.
the monster.
Oh, this is
He's
a long
by me.
hallway. Hey, everybody, let's go out this long hallway. Dang, this is hallway.
Lena, you scared me.
The black figure is by me.
What?
Okay.
Where did Milton go?
No, Milton,
Oh,
we
right
lost
there.
you. Where?
Oh,
Oh,
we're
he's
supposed
right
to
here.
find
Never
Matthew.
mind.
We lost because we tried to find Matthew. Chance, what
You
are
know
doing?
that one episode in the club? We won. We won.
Then Chance is way back there. Are we gonna stop and wait for him?
Okay, okay, good. Milton
What
is
are
red.
you?
I'm orange.
Oh, I found Matthew.
Dang, that was fast. Oh, Matthew, you turned right. You turned right. Go back. You just turned right or left. There he is. Yay! All right, let's go. Where we gonna go now?
Let's go where. Let's just go down.
Let's
this
get
hallway.
away from this area because Matthew just came from there.
Down this hallway, I guess.
All right, where are we going now? We gotta find a way out of
Wait,
here.
man. Where was the monster?
I know.
I've
Right
been
there.
down. I've been down
Right
this
by
hallway.
Chance.
Right there. Oh, dang, it's right there. Keep going. Oh wait,
Chance, you're gonna.
Chance, what are you doing?
He's playing with
He's
it.
sucking his soul out.
Oh.
Oh man, his body just dropped to the ground. Go, go, go. Oh dang, his body just dropped. Let's go.
Dang, Chance.
You just went through the wall. Oh, you saw that, right?
He's by me. He's by me. He's by me.
Turn back the other way. Let's go.
He's right there. He's right there.
Oh, don't go. Don't run past him.
Go around
Unless
him.
you
Then
want.
I gotta be the last one.
That's that's for you trying to go back.
I'll go.
Oh, he's gone
You're
now. He's gone now. He's
He's
gone.
still
No,
at
he's
that
not.
corner.
Yeah.
He's still at the corner.
Oh dang, he just disappeared in front of us right here. There's Matthew.
Matthew, stop running away from us.
It's like nope.
Okay.
It's like
You
nope.
got what? I ain't trying to die.
Well, Matthew, it's gone. It's not chasing us no more. It's probably trying to find Chance again.
We don't know that. We don't know that he can go
Chance,
to the wall.
where'd you go right now?
Chance is AFK all the time. Dad, your bun is.
Oh, you just spawned back in the maze? Oh dang. Oh that no, never mind.
Somebody already went here.
Yeah, Milton already been down this hallway too.
Oh dang. Did y'all just leave me? The heck?
We're
Oh.
not just going in circles.
We cannot find.
Where's the exit way out of here?
I'm just going on my own way then. If you guys are just gonna keep
So
walking.
currently, there's an
We lost
exit
you.
that's
You guys lost you.
full of that.
Guys, we lost you. Me and
No,
Milton.
I'm with Matthew.
Milton, where are you?
Ah!
You can say I didn't even see him until
No,
now.
Milton, it's fine. Just keep going this way. Follow me.
Everyone.
I ain't looking back no more,
Milton.
There's a secret.
bro. Every time I look back, that thing looking at me.
Yeah, he's kind of going hella fast.
I
Wait,
think
let
I
me
saw
tell you
you guys.
something.
Hold on. I think I saw one of you guys with arms.
So there's a secret tip.
Where we going? West Samoans are in the
Stop
wrong
covering
place.
my mic when you talk, Milton.
Wrong
There's a
place,
secret.
dang. He's right there. Let's go. I'm gonna
Oh,
hit
there's
these
a lot
corners
of stuff
fast.
right
I'm gonna hit
here,
these
though.
corners fast. Take
Wait,
it right,
Milton,
take it
no,
right,
this
take
is
it.
the exit.
Woo! What? Try to kick me down. Taking these sharp
Hello,
right.
can you guys hear me?
Woo!
Kind of.
Yeah,
Kinda
Milton,
not.
stop covering your mic.
Alright. Anyways.
There's someone in front of me. Who's in front of me?
Milton, come on, follow me.
Who's that running in front of me?
That's Chance.
Chance, I found you. Hey, I found Chance. Oh, don't go that way, Chance. He's coming.
Guys hit a dead
Sure, I'll
end.
be back. I gotta deliver.
We gotta juke this monster up. We gotta juke him out. Ready, set, go, boom.
That's not a monster. That's a girl.
Oh, we made it. He's not here. Oh, there, he's right there. Let's go.
Guys.
Me and Milton are lost.
Right here. Boom. Juke that monster. All right. Come over here. I'm gonna juke him right here. Bing. Keep following me. Boom. Dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end.
We're just going
Ooh.
in circles, Milton.
Let's go. Boom, this way.
You want
Guys,
Yeah.
me and Martin are exploring
so
circles.
there's a secret tip we can use.
Down
There's
the
what?
hallway.
There's a secret tip we can use.
Boom. Oh, dang, it's still right behind us.
Milton, come on.
Boom, boom.
Okay,
Milton,
hold on.
I'm seeing if I can find you guys. That's
So,
what I'm trying to find.
Uncle Mike.
Yeah.
Milton, you're in the dark right now.
So there's a secret tip we can use. You know what it is?
What is that?
So if we keep resetting, we're gonna teleport into a different level.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. Well, it's kind of 1% chance if we can.
Dang. I don't like those chances.
Oh, Milton, reset. I'm resetting.
All right, the
I
monster's
spawned
gone.
it in the place.
I spawned in a place where I see Milton marked.
Oh, dang, he's
everywhere.
right behind us. Go. Man, it's only me chancing this girl over here.
Matthew's gone.
I'm gonna keep on dying.
How come the monster over here at us and not you guys?
We have
I don't know.
Peter.
We're not supposed to.
Oh, hey,
Dad!
the monster's coming. He's right behind us. Where's Chance? Oh, dang, he's right there. Let's
He
go.
sucked the soul of chance. Follow me, Dad.
I'm just keeping
Oh, dang,
dying.
the thing's literally by that girl. Do we run the same speed running backwards?
Yeah.
Tell me what. Okay. Cut right here. Boom.
Oh, it's right behind you, Dad.
Okay, okay, I know. Let's go. Oh, dang. Should I look at it?
No, you're gonna waste time.
Which way should I turn? Left or right?
This way.
I'm gonna cut him off right here. Ooh, you thought I was going straight, but I cut you off.
Come on, Chance.
Ooh, you thought I was going that way, but I cut you off. Let's go.
He's not following me. Oh, he's right behind the girl. Never mind.
Oh, the girl's with us still?
Yeah. I don't know how.
Oh, you didn't want to cut that way?
I don't know. I wasn't sure. Oh, Dad,
I'm in a
Ooh. Cut right.
I'm right
Chance
behind
found
him
us.
now.
Cut right. Ooh, left.
Guys, I don't know if I'm okay. Get away!
He's right behind you. He's getting closer. He's getting closer. Oh, dang. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Guys,
What?
we found a secret place.
He's gone now. Where you
And
guys
there's a
at?
paper that says, don't tell anyone about it. And if you're new here, the escape is not far away. Made by the developer.
Dad, eh?
Take a left. Boom.
It got dark.
How'd you guys find a secret room?
Because they kept on resetting and resetting and resetting.
Yeah, me and Chance found a.
Are you guys in the same room together?
Yeah, they're in the same rooms.
Yeah,
Dad and Dad.
The girl's like, you're crazy.
I'm going forward.
I'm just no clipping in this wall.
Ooh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh! Ooh! Dad, where did you go?
I went the other opposite way where you're trying to go, but you stopped.
Because I looked the other way. You know that black
Guys,
monster thing?
Hmm.
It was hiding around the corner, and when I looked at it, it slipped away like one of those horror scenes. Scary. Wait for me.
Dang, it's getting dark in this hallway.
Wait, Dad, for me. It stopped chasing us, by the
Cut
way.
it.
Right behind us, Dad. It stopped chasing us. Return.
If you guys, if you guys try to reset, then you might have a chance to spawn right next to it.
Okay, how do we reset?
You go to, for
Oh,
you, it's the
think-
option settings.
I heard noises. Chance, where are you? Chance, I'm scared.
He left, remember? To use the bathroom?
Oh. Well, Chance is the big.
You guys want to stop right here?
I think this is the old exit.
I don't know where I'm
Dang, it's dark right here.
Wait, we found the exit. We found the exit, Milton.
Oh, damn, we found the exit.
We found it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, dang, I'm not looking that way.
I'm gonna reset so I can...
Okay. Okay. I made here.
Green light. Where is the exit door? It's green light. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Wait, is this a whole new another maze?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Currently,
I know the way, so I think.
you already escaped one before.
Remember, we built mazes in Minecraft. We should be good at this.
But we didn't build this one.
It's okay.
I was thinking of waiting for Milton over there and like putting spawn points that leads to the exit.
Where'd that girl go?
Lost.
Still trying to exit.
I didn't even notice, but me and my dad found it. While you guys were looking for a secret room, we were looking for the exit and we found it. There's different levels throughout
Here
the
it is.
game.
Looks like a Minecraft maze.
I'm trying to find...
Ooh, it's just a cave over here.
Eat a biscuit.
Dead end.
We found a cave letting out smoke.
Where
Oh
you
yeah,
at?
if you find the second, be
But
careful from towards your way because you don't stand still because it's currently a monster and it has a wig. It will kill you and
I'm sure.
Are you behind me?
Yeah.
I'm just,
I'm trying to...
We found an arrow, Milton. We found an arrow. This way. I think we found the exit already. See, I told you I watched this video many times that they're going through these mazes, and I keep watching it over and over again.
just kind of following my gut instincts.
I'm just
Back with the
following.
lights.
Find the exit.
Yep, we found it.
We found it, Milton.
It's a ladder
It's a ladder.
that goes up to another maze. And I'm not amazed.
No, we're here, Dad. We found camp.
Oh, we found a camp.
We found
Is
a
this a
camp.
resting stop?
Yes, found Camp 1.
Camp 1 award. Hey, good job.
Let's go.
Look at lights are off at 3:10. Is there a bed I can just sleep in real quick?
Here.
Am I gonna die from
You
the
want to
fire?
take a break?
Oh, yeah. Let's wait
Whoa.
for those guys.
Are these trackers? Oh, never mind.
Good job. We did it.
Camp 1. Ooh. Oh, that ladder's broken.
Let's find the guys.
I can't believe we
Hey,
passed
Dad,
it.
come on, let's take a break over here.
Where are you at? Oh,
Right here. We will.
I'm
Wait.
spawning in different places.
all right. Thank you for watching that show. Is that it? Oh, let me take a picture, yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take a picture of you standing right there. Don't move. The maze.
Hey. Whoa! I saw red eyes. Okay, I'm going the other way. If that's okay.
I'm gonna go leave some signs for Milton.
Do we have to go down there to start the next one? Because I sure don't.
I'm just putting some, one of those, like, my orange little spiky things. Pickles. Wait.
Yeah.
If this is called Camp 1, that means there are many camps throughout the maze.
All right. Are we stopping
Oh no.
broadcasting?
Lights are off in 1 minute, so we should stay over here.
All right. Let's just wait under this lamp. Or the fireplace is the best place, yeah.
I see the monster.
We're lucky, Dad. We haven't seen the monster at all.
I mean, we did. It was like really
Not
behind
the
us.
real monster. That's not the real monster
And
that's
I'm
supposed to be
spawning
chasing us.
next to the monster.
Let's check the time.
Okay, I completely where I am. Go. trying to find this talking about.
Those supposed to be bugs.
Yeah. Or just particles, you see.
I am totally
Are you still with Chen?
no. Chance is using the bathroom.
Or where'd Matthew go?
I see a red arrow.
Oh, reset. Nothing happened.
Oh, I found a mirror.
Guess that's it.
That means they're close, I think.
Well, thank you
Don't
for
what?
watching us play this episode of, what is this game called?
Identity fraud.
Identity Fraud. See you next time. Thank you. Jesus loves you.